Hey there, what's up, and welcome back to another video. I'm back here with another unboxing video from DARAZ.pk, and this time I ordered a pair of books from Daraz, and there was a great sale going on. I don't know, maybe it's still going on or not. Okay, I'll check and I'll leave the link in the description box below, so if you want to order these books, you can just go and order them. So they were selling two books for rupees 1625, and I found them super cheap because when I went to the market and I asked for those books, so a single book was for rupees 1500, and if I would have bought from the market, so they would have costed me like for 2500 rupees. So that is why when I saw them on the Daraz at super cheap prices, so I ordered them at the moment. So I received them right now, and we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna see its quality, its everything, because obviously if they're selling you two books in such cheap prices, so we can expect anything from them. They could be their quality could be cheap, their pages could be cheap, or they would have misprinted. Anything could happen, obviously. So yeah, we're gonna unbox it, and obviously we have unboxed it. So we're gonna see this, and if they are good, so I would definitely suggest you that you can also order them for yourself if you want to read books, if you are a novel lover. And these books are not for myself, these are for my mama, because she loves to read novels, especially these sort of Urdu novels. That is why I ordered these books for her, and she obviously loved it because their quality is amazing. I like it. They're selling these two books at such cheap prices, so what else we want from them? It's fine, it's totally fine. So let's have a look at the next book, which is very nicely packed. Let's open this up. So here it is. These two books were of my mama's choice, okay, because she loved these two books and she really wanted to read these, and finally they are here for her. So let's open this. Okay, so it's amazing. I would say amazing. Quality is fine, pages are good, everything is good, none of the pages misprinted, everything is fine. Yeah, big like from me. This deal is totally passed from my side. If you want to go for buying these two books at such cheap prices, you should definitely go and buy these. The link I'll be leaving in the description box below for this product. You can go and buy this out. And yeah, so yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and you guys have been loving unboxing videos a lot. That is why whenever I order something from online, so I simply make unboxing video for that, because I know you guys love it. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Bye.